Now, this is type of bearing. This is where we are now. In today's video, we are taking the types of bearing. There are two types of bearing. They are the cardinal point bearing and the three-digit bearing. The cardinal point bearing has another name, and it is also called compass bearing. How do you take them, or how do you draw them? The compass bearing is always taken from the vertical axis. That is, either you take it from the north or the south. You never take it from the east or the west. While the three-digit bearing is always taken from the north only, and then you move clockwise. So as a demonstration, let us represent the following using compass bearing. Now, since compass bearing is based on a compass, a standard compass, we are going to draw a representation of a standard compass for you to know where and what to draw. A standard compass will look like this. I have 4 cardinal points. The vertical, this will be the north, and the bottom will be the south. And the horizontal, this will be the what now? The east, and this other side will be the what now? The west. Now, everything between this east and what now? And the north is called east of north. East of north. Everything between the south and east is called east of south. Everything between the south and west is called west of south. And everything between this what now? North and west is called west of north. Okay, this is a standard representation of a what now? Of a compass. Okay, so our first question is what now? We are going to look or to draw. We are going to draw east of north, 60 degree. From our compass, our standard compass, you see that east of north is what now? To this other side. So first of all, draw a small vertical line and draw a what now? An horizontal line. So this north, this east, this west, and this what now? South. Okay, so don't forget that it is either taken from the north or from the what now? The south. Don't ever take it from east or west. Okay, so east of north will be to this side. Abby, now where should we take it? From the north, because 60 degree, that is it. Now the second example is 45 degree west of south. The same thing, draw your compass, you draw vertical, you draw horizontal. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is what now? West. Okay, now what should you do? The question said 45 degree west of south. Where should it be? This side. Okay, you draw a line from this side. Now the question is, where should we take it? Is it from the north or from the south or from the west or from the east? Remember, always take it from the vertical. And what vertical part is here now? From the south. Okay, so you draw like this from the south. Okay, yeah, 45 degree. So under this, I will give you some work for you to do. Now, our next step or our next work is to represent the following using three-digit bearing. Represent the following using what now? Three-digit bearing. As the name implies, it must be 3 digits. Look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's take this first one. 070. Okay. Now you do your vertical line. This is your north. Okay, and this note, remember that under 3-digit bearing, you must start from the knot. After starting from the knot, then you now draw clockwise. Okay, remember that here is west, here is what now? East, here is what now? South. From here to here is 90 degree, from here to here is 90 degree, from here to here is 90, from here to here is 90. Okay, so is this up to 90? No, that means it should be on this side. Okay, so it will be around here. You start from the knot, you are coming down, make sure it's not up to 90. You now draw something like this. So you now have what now? 0.17 degree. Okay, so let's take number 2. Number 2, let's take one of 320 degree. 320 degree. The same thing, you draw your knot only. You put a small imaginary line here. You don't need to show these lines. Okay, now here is west, here is east, here is what now? South. Okay, and this one, meaning you are going to start from the north down to what now? To 320. Okay, let's check now where we are going to land. From here to here is 90. 90 plus 90, we now have 180. 180 plus what now? 90 again, we now have 270. That means our line is going to be between this north and this west. Okay, so you draw from north on, you move clockwise, you now come to this other side, now stop here. So from here to here is 320 degree. So try and represent these two for me, 260 degree and 140 degree.